So the problem right here, this is in standard form. The first number in the problem is a 1, isn't it? In this problem, it's just 1x squared. So that's A. Like A is 1, B is this 2, and C is 3, right? We're going to be basically taking this problem from standard form into vertex form. So I'm going to give you this little half sheet. It's like a little tiny note sheet, and we're going to try to get the problem from the standard form, and we're going to use this formula, and we're going to get it into the other form. So instead of graphing it today, it's just writing it from one equation form to the other, like getting it from standard form into this other equation form. So we're still building on what we've learned, guys. Okay, so what should I put for negative b? Yeah, I'm going to put negative 2. Good job. I'm going to put negative 2, because it comes from right there, over 2 times a. Okay, what would you get if you did the math on that? What's negative 2 divided by 2? Negative 1. Yeah. So this gives us the vertex. Negative 1. Now, how do you find the number that goes with that? Well, you got to take this negative 1 and you got to plug it in over here, don't you? You need a calculator. Okay, guys? Same as how you just did the graphing worksheet. Take this number and plug it in over here. So you need a calculator, and you're going to go negative 1 squared, and then 2 times negative 1 plus 3. You need to do the math on a calculator. See how I'm using parentheses? When you put a number in that you have to square, you need to use parentheses. Negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 plus 3.
2.
You got a 2. Good job. Okay, guys. These two numbers that will help you write the vertex form. This is H and this is K. The vertex, that's where you get this number and this number. The H and the K is these. Okay, so I'm going to write I basically can write my answer now. I can change this problem that was in standard form. I can rewrite it with the vertex form because now I know the vertex. So my answer in vertex form. Okay, vertex form starts with A and then x minus h squared plus k. It says it right up here in the box. I'm going to write my answer in this format. So what was A in my problem? What was A in the original problem? 1. Okay, so it's going to say 1 parentheses x minus h. Well, what was h? What's my vertex? What's the h? Negative 1. And k is 2. See these two numbers we just got from the vertex? They go in the vertex form. But what happens when it's minus negative 1? Yeah, it turns to plus. So there's my answer, guys. That's it. I took the original problem, did the negative b over 2a thing, found the vertex, so then I could write the answer in vertex form. What do you think? That's not that bad, is it? It's the same as you guys just did, but instead of graphing it, we're just writing the equation answer. So let's try one more on the back, and then you'll have problems to work on this today. Okay, one more, guys. Listen up. Write it down. Okay, ladies in the back, pay attention. We still are doing the same formula, negative b over 2a. Okay, what should I put for negative b this time?
-4.
All right, so
It'd be a positive 4.
yeah, it's going to turn to positive 4 because the b number is a negative 4 over here, and then the formula says to do negative. That means like opposite of that. So it'll turn to positive 4. Good job. It'll turn to positive 4. And then 2 times A, it's 1. Good job. It's 1. So this helps us find our vertex. Our vertex is 1 comma something. Well, you got to get a calculator, and you have to put the 1 back into this problem over here. So guys, see, it's not that bad. Oh yeah, he's right here. Sure. Okay, so put the number in a calculator. 2 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 5.
It'll equal 3.
3. Good job. All right, now we're going to write our answer. We're going to write the vertex form. Okay, so let's pay attention, guys. What was the A number in our original problem?
2.
A was 2, so that's still going to stay the same. That's going to be a 2. Where did that 2 come? It's from the original problem. It was a 2. A is still 2. Now it goes x minus, it's these numbers, h and k. The vertex we just found, they go in this formula. So it's going to go x minus 1 squared plus, what? 3. That's it. This h number, see this number goes here for h. This 3 number is the k. We're just plugging them into the vertex form. And now you're done. So we're not graphing things today. We're just changing the problem from one format to the other format.